So guys, I love purse. As you guys can see, I have a lot. Some of them are gifts and some of them are bought with my own money, and I love purses. I don't know why, but it's my thing, you know, handbags and purses I love. So I'm gonna show you what I have at the moment, and yes, I'm gonna start with this one first. I got this one from Civil Mall, Kathmandu, and I paid around 800 rupees for this, and this purse is so beautiful. Trust me guys, it looks almost like the genuine original one, you know. It has these flowers and all sorts of LV designs. Look at that. And when you open the zipper, it looks like this. Lots of little pockets, and the detailing is so beautiful, and it's in brown color. So pretty. I just love this one guys, and it's so handy as well, and you can fit a lot of cash inside this purse, which I really like. And my next purse is from Karpisha, and I really love this brand, but I don't know if it's still available or not. But yeah, I added this sticker over here just for fun, and it's in red color, and as you guys can see, it has lots of slots and, you know, pockets. You can also put a picture right over here. It's good, you know, I love it. It's kind of like a folding purse, so basically you open it like that and close it like that. It's one of my oldest purse, so I don't use it anymore, but it's still there in my collection. So that's that. And I have this one, which is a long purse. I got this one from Hong Kong night market, and it's LV inspired, to be honest, and I didn't notice when I get it, but it says VV. So it's not LV, it's VV, and the detailings are also totally different compared to this one. You know, this looks more genuine than this one. Detailings are not exactly LV inspired, but yeah, it's alright. I don't use it a lot. I don't know what do you call this, but you can also put cash and stuff in here and just use it on the go. I don't use it, but it's handy. And as you guys can see, it has lots of pockets and lots of slots and more pocket for cash. This bag is really good. It has the slot for coins as well, and I really like it. I paid around 50 HK dollar for this, and seriously guys, if you don't notice, this purse is really cute. So my next purse is this one. It's also from Hong Kong, and it's in red color. It has zipper, and the inside looks like this. It has coin compartment, cash compartment, and lots of card compartments. I really like this purse as well, and it has gold detailing. As you guys can see, it also has some charms, and the material is so nice. I just love it. I paid around 200 HK dollar for these. And my next purse is this one. It's so cute guys. It's from Michael Kors, and I just love it. I got this one from Bicester Village, and I have some cards inside here. You know, this purse is really cute and really awesome for on the go. I carry this one a lot, and this one as well. These are my favorite types of purses at the moment. It's in brown color, and it has, you know, gold detailing. I love it. Oh, I was looking for this SD card and I found it guys. Yay. I'm gonna keep this one. And my next purse is this one. I believe this is also a gift from someone, but I forgot who gave me this one. And it has lots of slots and pockets for cash, and you also have a zipper compartment for your coin. And this purse is very functional, you know. I love it. It's kind of like a Polo inspired purse, and you have also more compartments over here. I love it. And my next purse is this one, which is from River Island, and I bought this purse for my sister as well, and she loved it, and she was ordering more for her friends as well. It's good, you know, it's very functional. It has this pouch where you can put your coins and all the stuffs, and it has lots of compartment, and you can fit in a lot of cash. Look at this card holders, and you can fit a lot of stuff in here, and this is just for style. You can't put anything inside here. I love this purse as well. I use this purse a lot, but right now it's not my favorite, but I still love it. And this purse is from Polo, and this was given to me by my sister-in-law, Manju Didi. Thank you, Manju Didi. I just love it. It's from Polo, and it's a very nice brand, and as you guys can see, you can put a lot of cash in here, and there is a zipper compartment as well. Look at that, you can put a lot of cash in here. And look at all these card holders. You can also put pictures over here. You can open it and close it like that, and it has gold detailing. It's in red, black, and you know, light gray color. Very pretty. And this one is Chanel inspired. As you guys can see, it's in red color and it has black zipper detailing. It also has this dangly charms which has a ball and a Chanel logo, and in the front you can also see a Chanel logo. I really like this purse. It's quite big. You can fit your iPhone 6 inside here, which I really like. And inside there is a zipper compartment, lots of card slots, and you know, lots of space for cash. I used to love this sort of purse at one point. You don't need to carry a big purse or a backpack if you are on the go. You know, you can just carry this purse, put your phone in, put your cards and cash in, and you are ready to go. And my next purse is this one, which is one of my favorite Michael Kors purse. It's in pink color. It has gold detailing. It's so nice. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? I just love it. The zipper is so smooth compared to other purses, and I love it, guys. Inside it looks like this. You have lots of cash compartment, coin compartment. This purse is super handy and it's beautiful as well. Last but not least, this is my River Island purse. It has gold detailings. It's really chic and girly. It's in purple color, and inside it looks like this. Lots of pockets, coin compartment. You can fit a lot of cash in here, and I love it, guys. Isn't it pretty? And that's my purse collection, guys. I know I have a lot of purses, but you know, your girl loves handbag and purses. If you guys want to see my handbag collection, then give me a thumbs up. I will definitely do that for you guys. By the way, I keep all my purses in this drawer. This drawer is from IKEA and it's in white color, and it holds all of my purses, which I really like.